What's up lovely people, I hope you're doing absolutely well। तो आज की वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है बिकॉज इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे डोमेस्टिक कैबिन क्रू और इंटरनेशनल कैबिन क्रू। मतलब कि विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ इज़ डोमेस्टिक कैबिन क्रू डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल कैबिन क्रू। तो सबसे पहले बहुत ही ब्रीफली जल्दी से जान लेते हैं कि डोमेस्टिक कैबिन क्रू और इंटरनेशनल कैबिन क्रू क्या होता है। सो डोमेस्टिक कैबिन क्रू इज़ कैबिन क्रू फ्लाइज फॉर डोमेस्टिक एयरलाइन। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन इंडिया, the airlines like Go Air, Indigo Airlines, AirAsia, SpiceJet, these all are domestic airlines because they fly for majorly domestic cities and some international destinations as well. But in case of international airlines like Emirates, Etihad, Qatar Airways or Singapore and many others, they fly for majorly different international destinations and they have less domestic cities to fly for. So I welcome you back to the video and to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on the video. So चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. The very first difference is the difference of the roster. So roster का मतलब ये है कि उसका cabin crew का schedule कैसा है. If I talk about the domestic cabin crew, he has a roster pattern जहाँ पर उसके number of work days are more. नंबर ऑफ वर्क डेज क्यों ज़्यादा हैं? वो इसलिए ज़्यादा हैं बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ फ्लाइंग आवर्स विद इन द कंट्री इज लेस, मेजरली 1 hour, 2 hour, maximum 2 hours and 30 minutes or 2 hours or 40 minutes, not more than that in a particular country, depending upon the country to country, due to which the domestic cabin crew has more number of work days, more number of sectors, but less flying hours. However, if we talk about the international cabin crew, उसका रोस्टर पैटर्न ऐसा होता है कि उसके काम करने वाले दिन बहुत ही कम होते हैं और साथ ही साथ में फ्लाइंग आवर्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं एंड द सेक्टर्स आर ऑल्सो लेस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इमेजिन अ कैबिन क्रू फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम Abu Dhabi to New York, so the sector is only one but the flying hours are more, due to which more number of flying hours, meaning that the cabin crew will be flying for less days in a month because they have restricted flying hours. So the second difference is the difference of the salary. While I talk about the domestic cabin crew flies for India, on a fresher scale he can earn from 40,000 to 50,000, but a international cabin crew flies for international destinations has the minimum average salary for a fresher ranging from 1.75 lakhs to 2 lakhs. The third difference is the difference of the exposure. So if you're flying for a domestic airline, you're flying within the city and some to international destinations as well, whereby on your layover, imagine you're flying for a domestic airline. On your layover, everything is provided by your airline, from food, accommodation and every other small things. But if I talk about the international airline, the cabin crew are not provided with all the facilities. For example, they're provided with the hotel, but then the food is sometimes not available. The food you have to search by yourself in the domestic, in the international countries. And while you search for food, you meet different people, you taste different cuisine and you know about the culture of that country. So these small things, while you go for international cabin crew, these give you exposure and a new lifestyle. The fourth point is the holidays. So while I talk about the roster pattern, if I talk about domestic cabin crew, you work for more number of days, that means your holidays are less, or you can talk about the week offs. But if I talk about the international cabin crew, you work for less number of days, more number of flying hours and more number of holidays as well. Last difference is the type of the aircraft that you fly. So when you fly for a domestic airline like a country like India, you have narrow body aircrafts and there are wide body aircrafts as well. So narrow body aircrafts are those that domestic cabin crew fly for. So for example, A320, Boeing 737, Bombardier, ATR, these all are narrow body aircrafts that has seating capacity less than 250. But if I talk about the international destinations and international cabin crew, the airlines fly with wide body aircrafts that have a seating capacity more than 250. For example, Boeing 747, Boeing 787, Boeing 777, A380, A330, A350. Lot of aircrafts that are wide body. I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have liked it. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment down below for any further queries.